This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 63 of building the Ford GT. This is a very quick build episode, although not as quick as one coming up later. But of course, first of all, we're going to flick through the magazine looking at the Ford Focus ST. Yeah, it's all right. It's a car. It's not really a sports car, but it's a car. You see them on the roads and they drive and people do them and you can take it to the shops and not get funny looks. It's all right. Different versions of it, obviously. Remember them. I only ever see the hot hatch type version, but there we go. So yes, what we are doing here, engine sound test. We've got these parts that we're not going to do anything with. I've sourced some batteries and we'll just be fitting them in and basically putting them in. Let's have a look at that. Do we test it? Do we actually test it? Does it say? To test the engine sound, press the accelerator pedal. Right. So yes, the accelerator makes that's an interesting way of doing it. It's not a button, it's just the accelerator pedal. So yes, we'll get that done, put the batteries in and make sure things work. So yes, I won't even bother taking it out of the packet because I'm only going to, well, I'll be using it later, but I'll get it out of the packet for next time. So then we've got the hub of the work. I'll show you because I've got to get it open at some point, so I might as well do it now. I'm going to be doing the next issue very shortly anyway, so it's not like they're going to get lost over the intervening week. We've done it all before. We've already done like 2 wheels, so this is the 3rd wheel. I'm going to have to dig that out, but there we go. We've got the interior of the wheel and the hubcap, and I have 3 batteries. They are SR44 type batteries. They do say LR44, but they're not great. These are a better quality battery. So I'll be using those. I won't be using that, but we will be putting them into here. They live in the little compartment, which is covered by this little box. So we need to take that off of there. It's pretty obvious which way around they go. These batteries have a flat side and a dome side, just like a normal AA size battery's got a little prong on it. The little prong on these is that side. So yeah, we need all 3 of those, and they will all fit into the one box. These are 1.5 volts each, so that gives us a total of 4.5 volts. So they're going in a bit like that, and then the trickier bit is getting the 3rd one in. I'm going to go in the middle, just like so. So you've got sprung contact one side and non-sprung contact the other side. So I need to push the accelerator pedal, which is all the way down in there. It does say you might want to use a screwdriver. I can hear things. I know you can't really hear things because the noise cancelling is working, but it does make a noise like that. That's the engine ticking over. Yeah, it does things. I like it. I'm happy enough with that. I shall put that back on there and probably never push that button again. But it's ready now for more wires and things to be plugged in for lights and stuff. But that's it for now. I don't think I'm going to be using this again for a little while, because once we've built up the wheel, we haven't got anywhere to fit it yet. So yeah, we'll be building up the wheel and then the other wheel, I'm pretty sure. So I'll clear this all out of the way and we'll get the next issue looked at and then go from there. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.